everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll talk about how to scan any kind of photo using your Android smartphone. It's very easy. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. Hoping you will watch this video until the last. So without late, let's begin our tutorial. So how can you scan your any kind of images using your Android smartphone? It's very easy. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store. So I'm opening this one, and you have to search photo scan like this, and you will get this application. This application is developed by Google, that's why it's too much popular. It have more than 10 million plus downloads and more than 4.4 ratings, and it's too much good application. So after installing your application, you can open, but I have already installed this application, that's why I'm opening this one. So I'm tapping here in the open button. So after this, you have to put your photo like this. Okay, so this is my photo, and I'm taking the photograph of this one. So now it's done. It's now done, and after this you can see this one. It's amazing scanning, right? See, it's too much amazing scanning. And I'm scanning another image also, and see this one. So after this, you have to put your photograph in the center, and don't shake your hand. If you shake your hand, it will not look good. That's why I'm tapping in the camera option, and there is 4 circle will appear. So first of all, you have to go here, just put here this one, and yeah, and go here like this, and you have to just you have to put your circle until complete the blue. Yeah, now it's done. Now I'm showing you. See, this one is too much perfect, right? You can scan any kind of images like this, and I'm taking another image also from here. Just wait for a moment. So I'm showing you another example. So I'm taking another picture. So first of all, I'll tap in the camera option, then there is 4 circle will appear. So first of all, I'll go here, and I'll go in another circle also like this, and I'll come in the circle also, and I'll go in the circle. Yeah, now it's done. Now it's processing. After this, we can see this one. Our picture is this one. See, it's looking amazing, right? You can also use this application, and you can scan any kind of images using this application. Hoping you like this video, and if you want more this kind of video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can like my video also. Hoping you will subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are awesome guy, and if you are smart guy, and if you want to increase your brain, then you have to subscribe this YouTube channel. And if you want to be more intelligent guy, then you have to subscribe, and you have to press in the bell icon also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.